The reason I chose the Moraine Valley CAP program because it was one of the only programs around the area that really offered an associate's degree, which is really important to me.
When I was younger, my dad always would grab me, "Hey, we're fixing mom's car, come on, I need your help." That really intrigued me growing up, just like seeing how intricate a car works and stuff that can go wrong and how easily or difficult it can be to repair it. So I wanted to challenge myself that way.
We do our book work, like our theory, but once we come out in the shop, it's hands-on and you kind of get a feel for it yourself because I'm a hands-on learner. I don't really like book work or nothing like that.
You're set up with a problem that you would see at a dealership, and you're kind of given the opportunity to work on it here, so when you're faced with that same problem at your workplace, you know what steps to take.
The only requirement is to be working in a dealership either before or during while you're in the program, but they give you a good amount of time to get into a dealership.
My ultimate goal after leaving Moraine Valley's automotive program is to become a journeyman technician, basically to expand my horizons, to either continue working on vehicles or other equipment. I can use the same skills like trains or semi-trucks or anything like that.
I eventually want to be the highest rank in my dealership as far as doing work, and I feel like this is what's helping me get to that point.
Through the CAP program, it's given me a way to get into that dealership and build myself up to the level where I want to be at.
The Mopar Career program at Moraine, it holds a lot of weight, so it gets you in the door. I'm part-time working, I'm a full-time student, and then I have other classes outside of this, so sometimes it's long nights after work studying. But once you move past that and you think about the bigger picture, it's more glory at the end of the road.